Hello everyone. Now we will discuss how to write equation of quadratic polynomial in terms of sum of zeros and product of zeros. Okay. Equation of quadratic polynomial in terms of sum of zeros and product of zeros. So we know the standard form of quadratic polynomial: ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Okay, this is the standard form of quadratic polynomial. So what's the next thing you have to do? Just divide this quadratic polynomial by a. Both sides. Divide both sides by a. Divide by a. Divide by a. And it's also 0 divided by a. Both sides we are dividing by a. Okay. So this a and a what? Cancel out. So we have x square, then b upon 8x, then c upon a. Then 0 divided by any number, any number is what? 0. Clear? This is we have actually, as we know that alpha plus beta, we have the relation alpha plus beta equals to minus b by a. So we can write this relation as minus of alpha plus beta equals to b by a. Is correct or not? You write minus sign over with b by a, or you can write with alpha plus beta. The thing is same. Okay. Just for simplification we are doing. And next thing we have product, that is alpha into beta equals to what? C by a. We know this relation. Okay. So just we are trying to convert this quadratic polynomial expression in terms of alpha plus beta and alpha into beta. Okay. So we have what? X square. Then we have what? Plus b by a. What we are having actually? B by a. So in place of b by a, what we can put? In place of b by a, we can write minus alpha plus beta. Okay. Minus alpha plus beta. Here we can write minus bracket you can use 0 alpha plus beta into x. Then c by a. So c by a is equals to alpha into beta. So in place of c by a we can write alpha into beta and right side equal to 0. Okay. Then this negative into positive, negative. This becomes minus. So alpha into beta into x and this alpha. So this is the equation of quadratic polynomial in terms of sum of zeros and product of zeros. Okay. So we use this question, this relation to solve the question next question. Okay, to solve the question of exercise 2.2 second question. Okay. Clear? So this equation is most important. Okay. So let's do next question. So next question is exercise 2.2, question number 2. Okay. The question is exercise 2.2, question number 2. So find a quadratic polynomial each with the given number as the sum and product of its zeros respectively. So this is exercise 2.2, question number. First part is 1 by 4 minus 1. Second part root 2 1 by 3. Third part 0 root 5. Fourth part is 1 1. Fifth part minus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4. Then sixth part. Okay, 4 and clear. So let's solve this question. Okay. The question is what? Find a quadratic polynomial h with given number as sum and product of its zero. So what you have to do? Just you have to form a quadratic polynomial, equation of quadratic polynomial. Okay, in terms of quadratic polynomial when the sum and product of 0 is. Okay, so as we discussed the equation earlier, so just what you have to do, just you have to utilize that equation. So we start with first part. So as we have what equation x square minus alpha, this is standard form in terms of product and sum of. Okay, this is the quadratic equation in terms of sum of zeros and product of zeros. So the value is given actually here. What's the value actually? 1 by 4 and minus 1. So what is this value actually? So we mention over here sum and product. So this first value is 1 by 4. So alpha plus beta equals to 1 by 4. That is sum. And next value is what? Product. So alpha into beta equals to minus 1. Okay. So just you have to put the value in this equation. So what we get? X square as it is. Okay, alpha plus beta. In case of alpha plus beta, you can write 1 by 4. Then x, then plus sign, then alpha into beta is value of alpha into beta minus 1. Clear? Then take equal to 0. Okay, then x square minus 1 by 4x minus into plus minus 2. Clear? So this is the equation of what? Quadratic polynomial. Okay, or you can simplify this. So you can take LCM. So what's the denominator of this? X squared by default 1. So 1, 4, and what's the denominator of this? 1. So 1, 4, 1. LCM is what? 4. Then after that 4 divided by this 1, 4. 4 into x, 4x square minus this 4 divided by this 4, 1. 1 into this 1, 1. 1 into x, x. Then 4 divided by this 1 is 4. Multiplied by this 1 minus 4. Here 4 divided by 1, 4, 4 into this 1, answer is 4. Then do the cross multiplication. So 4x square minus x minus 4. If you multiply this 4 with the 0, so answer is what? 4 into 0 is 0. So this is the final answer after simplification. Okay. So move to the next part, second part. So second part is the value is given root 2 1 by 2. So this is what sum as it is mentioned in the question, and this is what product of zeros. So we can write alpha plus beta equals to root 2 and alpha into beta equals to 1 by 3. Okay, so you can just put the value in this standard form. So this equation we have, just put the value over it. So alpha plus beta equals to what? Root 2 into x, alpha into beta 1 by 3. Okay, x square minus root 2 into x, root 2x 1 by 3. Then again LCM you have to take by default 1, by default 1. 1, 1, 3. LCM is what? 3. Okay, then 3 divided by this one, 3x square. Then you know how to take the LCMs. Then this 3 root 2x and this 1 equal to what? 0. If you multiply this 3 with 0, answer is 0. So the remaining part is, so this is the answer. Clear? Okay. Then third part is, see the third part. So generally this question comes in 1 or 2 mark section. Third part is 0 and root 5. So this is sum, this is product. So alpha plus beta equals to 0, alpha into beta equals to root 5. The standard equation x square alpha plus beta into x plus alpha into beta. Also let's put the value x square minus, in place of alpha plus beta we can write 0, 0 into x. In place of alpha into beta we can write root 5. 0 into x is 0, square minus 0 plus root 5. So x square minus 0 is what? X square. So this is the final equation. Clear? Okay. The next part is part number 4. Part 4, 1 and 1 given. So alpha plus beta equal to 1, alpha into beta equal to 1. Again, equation is x square minus alpha plus beta plus alpha into beta equals to 0. Put the value in this equation. So in place of alpha plus beta, 1 we can write, x is there, 1 into x, and alpha into beta, what we can write? 1. Both the things is actually 1 here. Okay, so 1 into x is the answer. Okay. So to the next part. Fifth part, minus 1 by 4, 1 by 4. Okay. So 1 is sum, alpha plus beta. The first is actually sum. Minus 1 by 4 and the beta is, alpha into beta is 1 by 4. So equation we have x square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha into beta equals to 0. So x square minus alpha plus beta is 1 by 4 into x, alpha into beta, sorry this is minus 1 by 4. So minus 1 by 4 you have to write here 1 by 4. This minus into minus plus 1 by 4x. By default its denominator is 1. So take the LCM. So what we get? 4. 4 divided by 1. 4. 4 into x square and 4x square. 4 divided by 4. 1. 1 into 1. 1 into x. 1x. Then here also 1 we get. Then multiply 4 into 0, 0. So remaining is 4x square x plus 1 equal to 0. Okay, get it out? So this is all 5 parts. And this last part is for you. Okay, you can try this last part. Okay, so now the exercise 2.2 is over. So the next topic we are discussed in next videos. Okay, that is division algorithm of polynomials. Okay.